Alright, so you want to start trading. Cool. Before you do literally anything else, before you open an account, before you download an app, before you watch one more I turned $500 into $50,000 video, I need you to sit down and actually go through these steps with me. Because I promise you, most people skip this part, and it's exactly why most people lose money. This isn't a hype video. There's no secret indicator at the end. It's just the actual roadmap. Let's get into it. Step 1. Figure out what you're even trading. First things first, trading is just buying and selling stuff. Stocks, currencies, crypto, whatever. And trying to profit off the price moving. That's it. That's the whole concept. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Your first decision isn't, which stock should I buy? It's, which market am I even going to trade? You've basically got 3 big options: stocks, forex, crypto. And look, they are not the same game. Different hours, different volatility, different rules, different costs to get in and out. If you try to learn all 3 at once, you're going to end up mediocre at all of them instead of good at one. So do yourself a favor. Pick one. Just one. Master that one first. I personally prefer Forex because of its size and limited chances of manipulation. Step 2. Get a broker you can actually trust. Okay, you've picked your market. Now you need a broker. Basically the middleman who lets your trades actually happen. This is not the step to be lazy on. Before you deposit a single dollar, ask yourself, is this broker actually regulated? Do people trust them? Or are there horror stories? Can you withdraw your money without a fight? What are they charging you? If something breaks, will support actually help you? I know low fees look tempting, but I'd rather pay a little more and know my money's safe than save a few bucks and get burned. Do your homework here. Seriously. Step 3. Learn your platform. Next up, your trading platform. This is the actual software you'll be staring at, clicking buttons on, watching charts move on. Think MetaTrader 5, CTrader, TradeLocker, that kind of thing. You want something that's easy to use, doesn't crash on you, loads fast, and has solid charting tools for whatever you're trading. And here's a tip. Practice clicking around before real money's involved. You do not want to be fumbling for the sell button while your trade's going against you. Speed matters. Step 4. Actually learn to read a chart. Now we get to the real learning. And I want to save you some time here. Don't go download 50 indicators and try to memorize them all. That's a trap. Seriously, ignore that urge. Instead, get deeply comfortable with the basics. Support and resistance. Trend lines. Overall market trend. Liquidity. Volume. Momentum. Basic candlesticks. And last, but not the least, I suggest price action. That's it. Understand why price moves. Not just what 15 different indicators are telling you at once. A trader who deeply understands 5 concepts will beat someone who kind of knows 100 every single time. Step 5. Build one strategy. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to build an actual strategy. And I mean an actual, specific, no wiggle room strategy that answers every single one of these. What market am I trading? What exact instrument? What time frame? What setup has to show up before I enter? Where's my stop loss going? Where am I taking profit? How much am I risking per trade? If you can't answer all of those right now, your strategy isn't actually a strategy yet. It's a guess, and guessing costs money. Step 6. Backtest it before you trust it. Before you risk a cent, Go back through old charts and run your strategy on historical data. This is backtesting, and it's boring, and you need to do it anyway. Log every single trade. Track your win rate, your risk to reward, your average win, average loss, and your worst drawdowns. This is where you find out if your strategy actually holds up, before it costs you real money to find out the hard way. Step 7. Refine it. Your first version of your strategy is not going to be the final version. That's fine. That's expected. Go back through your backtest results and start asking real questions. Which days worked best? Which sessions were strongest? What setups kept losing? What mistakes kept repeating? Cut the weak stuff. Keep what actually works. This one step alone can seriously level up your results. Step 8. Demo trade it. Strategies looking solid on the backtest. Now take it to a demo account. Real market conditions, zero real risk. But don't just be there to rack up fake profits. That's not the point. The point is proving to yourself that you can actually follow your own rules, keep your emotions in check, and execute cleanly under pressure. That skill matters way more than the fake number in your demo balance. Step 9. Go live, but start small. All right, you've backtested, you've demo traded, you're ready. Start small. I mean it. Never put in money you can't afford to lose. Here's the mindset shift most beginners miss. You're not trying to get rich this week. You're trying to protect your capital so you're still in the game next month and the month after that. Protect the capital and the opportunities will keep coming. Step 10. Keep a journal. Last thing, and honestly one of the most underrated, keep a trading journal. Every trade, write down why you got in, why you got out, what you were feeling, whether you actually stuck to your rules, and grab a screenshot while you're at it. Charts won't show you your own bad habits. Your journal will. Go back through it regularly, and you'll start catching patterns in your own behavior that you'd never notice otherwise. Mistakes to dodge. Quick fire round before we wrap up. Mistakes I want you to avoid. Trading with zero plan. Risking way too much on one trade. Switching strategies every other week. Blindly following some random tip from social media. Overtrading because you're bored. Ignoring risk management completely. Trying to instantly win back a loss. Avoid these, and you'll save yourself months, maybe years, of unnecessary pain. So that's the real roadmap. No shortcuts, no magic formula, no guaranteed anything. Just pick one market, find a broker you trust, learn your platform, understand a handful of core concepts really well, build one strategy, test it to death, practice it on demo, then go live small and journal everything. Follow that in order, stay patient with yourself, and focus on getting your process right instead of chasing a quick win. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.